Right now, there's a slow-acting poison in your veins. The antidote is inside the safe. The combination to the safe is written on the wall. Hurry up and program it in. But watch your step. By the way, that's a flammable substance smeared on your body. So I would be careful with that candle, if I were you. Or all the people you've burned with your act just might have their revenge.